My name is Sean,
And I'm Jen.
and we're the Berries.
We have 3 kids.
We're a homeschooling family, and we spend a lot of time in this home.
We lived in our last home for 14 years and we loved it, but truly we had outgrown it.
Right out of the gate, we had several people who had told us that Alair and Panarin were the team we wanted to entertain.
When we first decided to start dreaming about this house, I said, I really want a pantry. I want a place that I can hide my KitchenAid mixer and I can hide all of the kids' snacks. It's been wonderful. We have loved it.
Well, for me personally, I like to work out, so we added a gym, and we've absolutely loved the gym.
Mm-hmm.
We have space where the kids can do their own laundry.
We put in a gas fireplace that is remote controlled.
Being in the construction industry, I know what it takes to do good work. Since we've been here 6 months, everything has felt really top-notch.
Yeah.
And we've just been really pleased with the craftsmanship that they provided in our home. One of the things that sets Alair apart is the Alair portal. It was very easy and user-friendly to see every single invoice that they spent, whether it was $50 to Lowe's or whether it was $100,000 in lumber. It was all right there at your fingertips, and you had easy access to see construction photos that are going on, the timelines and the schedules, and all that information is right there at your fingertips. So if you ever have a question, you can easily pull it up and you can see exactly where things are at. Alair did an excellent job of communicating with us.
I know that they had multiple home projects going on, but not one time during our build did I feel like we weren't their top priority.
Building a home can be an expensive and stressful process. Those things that most people find stressful were a lot easier to deal with because we dealt with Alair. I think a lot of people talk about, I'll only do that once. I don't feel like we felt that at all.
When I look back on that season, it was joyful.
We're really excited to be able to spend many years with our kids here, just growing and creating a home that feels like home.
To see it all done and to be here, just the 5 of us, and to stay here, it was pretty cool.
Yeah.
It was a good night.
Thank you, Alair Springfield, for making our dream a reality.